Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 39 how to download multiple videos that you own on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone itself, navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile. Go to a post that has multiple videos. Video 1, 2, 3. And now go to the right hand top corner. Click 3 dots. Click the link. Go back to the iPhone homepage. Click on the repost app. Go to the 3 lines on the left hand top corner of the page. Search by URL. Paste the URL. Click on watch it. And now we have 3 videos. Go to the right top corner and click close. Video 2, click. Video 3, click close. Go back to the iPhone homepage. Go to photos, camera roll. Now we see 1 video, 2 video, 3 video. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.